Hello guys, Daddy Issues here again. So this time, let's have a look at this affordable, bang for the buck Bibury multi-tool. So if you're not so familiar with multi-tools, I think you're familiar with the Leatherman brand. So this is like a cheap Leatherman. See, let's get into it. Okay, so here I'm sorry, I've got some. This is already a little not so damaged, but it's just some. See, because I was using this one for quite a while now. I think let's say 2-3 weeks. See, so this is the case. It comes with when you buy this tool, it comes with it, and then you see. When you open it, there's a foam-like fabric here. Outside is like woven polyester. And then at the front pocket, we have this bits holder. So we got 3 types here. We got Phillips, Torx, and we got Torx is T10 and T15 only. And we get the flat. Yeah, so I'm gonna show you later where do you put this one. So inside we got the tool itself. Here, it's not so clean because I've been using it already. So what can I say? It does the job well actually, for like maybe a fifth of the price of the Leatherman. So, by the way, this is I bought this for 19-20 pounds in Amazon UK, and this is by the way, a 21 pieces tool, multi-tool. It means it has 21 functions here. So one side, let's take a look. We got here the knife. So do you hear that click? See the knife? I've been using this already for quite a while, so you will see some scratches, minor scratches. So this one here is the lock, unlocking. When you press this, the bits are locked in place. When you deploy them, you need to press this to release it. So see, then can do it all the way. That's it. So always this is the lock. The other side also there's a release of. And then that's a knife. And then this is the holder for the bits I was talking about. This. You just there's a hexagonal slot here where you put the bits like that. Of course you have to remove it. Okay. Here, put the slots here, put the screw bits here, there, and then it sits in place tightly because it has a magnet inside in the bottom here. Yes, and then this bit holder has 2 positions. This one, right, 90 degrees angle, it locks there, and also you have to release, of course, all the way up, straight, locks there also, and then of course you have to really press the release lever to secure it back again. And the next one is on this side is the file. This is the file with also the handy ruler. This is quite helpful when you're like measuring something and you forgot your measuring tape. Okay, next, the other side, we got the saw. See, it's pretty much basic saw, but comes in handy also in difficult situations. And then the next one, let's keep it open. Let's say the next one is here. See, you got this is a bottle opener, and with also a flat head end. And then the next one is, I don't know what this is, so I'm sorry guys. If you know what this is, please comment below. The next one is, after that, yes, this one I believe is the can opener, the small flat head on the edge and the end. After that is the, I believe this is a rope cutting knife. Yes. Okay. Let's put it back. So what? How many was that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's 8. Let's see if it really holds its promise to have 21. So let's go again. So if you want to open and get access to the pliers, just like that. And it also has a spring. It always goes back to open position. And then that's the pliers. That's 9 tools. Cutter here. That's 10. And let's say, count this also, 11. Let's give them a slack. So I think that's only 11. It's 11 tools only, huh? But I think what they mean with 21 tools is they probably counted this also. Yeah. And they probably counted also the file is 1, ruler is 1, and here bottle opener is 1, and then the head, flathead is 1 also. So let's not get too strict about it, okay? So that's it. That's basically it. The feel is quite sturdy, and I can feel it's durable. Yeah. I'm just gonna have an update for the performance of this. So far, I can't say anything bad about it because it does its job well, and the construction seems to be durable. And the most important thing is that for the price of, I think, just correct me if I'm wrong, 1/5 of the Leatherman. So yes guys, I would highly recommend this for people who are looking for multi-tools. This Bibury multi-tool. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and have a good day. Until next time.